Hello and welcome to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Today we are going to talk about how to grow strawberry into hydroponic system. Yes, strawberry can be grown in hydroponic system very easily. In the previous video, we have seen how to plant strawberry into the field with the raised bed system. In this video, we will see how to grow strawberry into different hydroponic system. Strawberry can be grown very simply with the help of a media bucket or the media bed, and the media can be used as a coco pit. It's the most simple and efficient way, but you can also plant the strawberry into NFT and other system also. Here I am going to demonstrate you how to plant strawberry into different method. I am going to try into media bed, into this NFT systems and few Dutch bucket or the Kratky systems. So to know in detail how I am going to plant the strawberry plant into different system, please stay connected to the video till the end. Don't go away. Let's start the video. The strawberry plant what we have ordered, we have received in a box. So let us open the box and see how the plants are there. So we are cutting this box. So you can see that they have sent the plants bare rooted. So these are our strawberry plants which is bare rooted in a bundle of maybe 50 or 100. So first what we will do, we will wet this plant and cover with the cloth to keep it moist, and then we will sow it into field as well as into hydroponic unit, and I will show you all the updates how to do it in the later part of the video. Watch the video till the end, and if you find this video interesting and useful, then give me a like. Also share it with the like-minded people. Express your view in a comment box and feel free to give any suggestions to improve. Let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. The plants which we are going to plant into hydroponics, first we need to clean the soil from the roots. As these are the bare rooted plants, there is some soil on the roots which we will remove by dipping it multiple times into the water. So what we are doing, we are dipping these roots and shaking that so that all the soil sticking on the roots will clean up. So we will clean it once again also with this clean water, and then we will sow it into hydroponic system. We must remember that in hydroponics, when we plant any plant, there should be no soil sticking on the roots. So we can stop the spreading of the soil-borne disease to the hydroponic system. So we need to clean the roots thoroughly. So this is how we clean all the roots for all the plants and keep it into the moist cloth, and then we will plant it, for which I am going to update you into later part of the video. So now all the strawberry plant roots are clean. Now strawberry are prone to root fungus diseases and other rotting diseases. So we need to treat the strawberry plant before planting it. We will treat them with the copper oxychloride COC. We will make a 1% solution. So we will taking approximate 2 gram into 2 liter of the water. We will mix it thoroughly, and then we will dip strawberry roots into the solution for 5 to 10 minutes. That will remove any fungus spores or any disease spore on the plant, and our plant will be clean for the planting. So we'll dipping the roots into this solution for 10 minutes. So we'll leave it for 10 minutes like this. So roughly after 10 minutes, we will remove the plants from this COC solution and again put it on the wet cloth, and then we can start our planting. So this completes our treatment for the root-borne diseases. So now treatment of all the plants is over. Now we will start planting this into the net cups. This we are planting for hydroponic unit, and we are planting into the media coco pit. So we have taken this coco pit and shave it so that no big chunks or lumps of the coco pit remains in it. So we have made it fine. Now we have opened this bundle. Now before planting we need to take some care. So if the root is too long, so we will cut it, the narrow roots from there. Then we need to see the plant. If some rotten parts are there, then also we need to remove. Now this is okay. Now we will plant it into the net pot. So at the time of planting, we need to ensure that our crown should not bury into the coco pit. So what we'll do, we'll hold the crown little above the cup, fill the coco pit, press it well from both the side so that our crown position remains little above the coco pit level. Then we'll remove all the extra coco pit from it, and you can see that the roots are starting from here. You can see this. So this will ensure that our plant will not rot during the growth. You can see this closely, the root position. So these are the roots starting from the crown, then these are just at the surface. So this is the another plant. So we are removing this, the rotten stem, leaf. Then again we'll follow the same procedure. We'll fill some coco pit, press it from both the side so as fix the root properly. At all the time we are ensuring that we are holding the crown just above the level of the cup. You can see that again the crown is fully outside. The roots are starting from here, which is at the surface of the coco pit. So this is how we are planting into the coco pit with the net cup. Then we will plant it into the hydroponic system, both into NFT and the deep water culture. We'll update you in the separate video on that. After completing all the planting into the net cups, we need to keep the plants in a tray and keep it moist regularly. This will induce a new growth into the plant, and then we will shift it to its actual place, either into NFT or into the deep water culture bucket. And the plants which are going to plant into the media bed should be planted directly to the media bed, same as what we have planted into the field. So this is our strawberry plantation into the media buckets.